Today we would broach domain names and cyber squatting. Hello friends, this is Advocate Sanjay Arora from New Delhi, India. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Legally Determined. What is a domain name? A domain name is the address of a website on the internet for the purpose of identification in the network. Every website has a numerical address called IP address, Internet Protocol Address, with which the network identifies the computer system and uses the computer system for access as part of the particular protocol for the transmission of the data packets. Typically, IP addresses consist of four parts, all in numerals separated by dots. For instance, 78.23.100.36 DNS. DNS means domain name system. DNS is the system of giving a name for the website or the computer system that hosts the data. For instance, imlc.org, which is easier to remember than a complicated number consisting numerals in four parts. It serves as a telephone directory with the names of all the persons in the network. Globally, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, popularly known as ICANN, is a US-based non-profit and private sector organization responsible for IP address space. It coordinates the maintenance and methodologies of Internet domain names. It also involves a policy development for the internationalization of the entire system of DNS, domain name system, including the assignment of address blocks to regional internet registries. In India, .in is the country's country code top level domain, in short called CCTLD. The Government of India delegated the operations of in-registry to the National Internet Exchange of India, popularly known as NIXI, NIXI, in 2004. NIXI is a non-profit company incorporated in Section 25 company under the Indian Companies Act 1956 with an objective to facilitate improved internet services in the country and to serve as the neutral meeting point in the neutral meeting point of the internet service providers in India. The .in registry implements the policies of Department of Electronics and Information Technology, Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, Government of India, and facilitates the registration of domain names through its accredited registrars. For all the ministries, all the government departments, etc., the domain name is .gov.in. The National Informatics Center, in short NIC, has also been providing internet domain names for all the central government offices, state governments, union territories, district, block offices, and all government departments. For instance, in the domain name imlc.org, the top level domain name is the word IMLC, chosen by the owner representing integral medical legal consultants, and the .org is the second part called the sub-level domain name denoting organization. The sub-level domain name .in refers to India, namely it is a domain name registered in India. Similarly, there are domain names like .us, .uk, .sg, etc., which denote USA, UK, Singapore respectively. There are other sub-level domain names like .com, .edu, .co, .mil, etc., representing commercial, educational, company, military, respectively. The domain name .net is a generic top-level domain, in short GTLD, used in the domain name system of the internet. The name is derived from the word network, denoting it was originally intended for organizations involved in networking technologies such as internet service providers. Internationalized domain names in Indian language, IDNR domain names represented in local language characters enabled by .in registry for registering domain names containing letters or characters from known ASCII scripts. ASCII script means ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is the most common character encoding format in the text data in computers and on the internet. Now, cyber squatting. Whether cyber squatting per se is a cyber crime or not. Squatting means sitting or bending down to occupy a space. In the context of the cyber world, cyber squatting actually means using an internet domain name or registering a domain name with malified intention to use someone else's proper business or trademark. In the USA, cyber squatting is clearly defined as an offense. But in the Indian context, the word cyber squatting does not exactly find a place in the Indian Information Technology Act 2000 or in other legislations. If someone registers a domain which is not his name or any part of the name or in any way associated with him, this act of registering by itself or this cyber squatting by itself is not a crime in India. However, when the domain owner actually does it malafide and gets benefit through that name or otherwise makes others believe that he is the owner of the business associated with that name, which he is not, then this becomes a crime and specifically a cyber crime. Cyber squatting is a common method to infringe a trademark. Individuals or firms register a domain name in the name of an existing company, sometimes using an existing trademark also. This forces the company to approach the registered user of the domain name to part with the domain name, and then when the company approaches, the user demands an exorbitant sum. Sometimes some firms knowingly to register a domain name if they get an idea that a company is going to be set up in the particular name and there will be a demand for this domain name, only to extract a hefty sum for parting with the domain name at that time. In a case related to Times Internet Limited, using the name indiatimes.com for its e-commerce business from 2000 itself, and a Messrs Time Broadband Services Private Limited registering as a company in 2005 with a deceptively similar name and getting a domain name timebroadbandindia.com. In this case, the plaintiff Times Internet Limited was held to have the sole right to use the word India Times like a trademark usage. In fact, this judgment relied on an earlier case decided by the Supreme Court of India, Satyam Infoway Limited and Satyam Infoway Limited versus Sifi Net Solutions Private Limited, Appeal 3028 of 2004, decided in May 2004, wherein it was held that a deceptively similar domain name may not only lead to a confusion of the source but the receipt of unsought for services. In this case, the domain name was given the rights like a trademark. International disputes related to domain name and all cyber squatting issues are being attended to by the UDRP, Uniform Domain Name Dispute Resolution Policy, adopted by the ICANN in 1999, with solutions in the form of cancellation, suspension, or transfer of a domain name by the registrar. In India, the cyber squatting disputes are being resolved by our own INDRP, .in Registry Dispute Resolution Policy, which has set out the terms and conditions to resolve the dispute on cyber squatting. I have described domain name and cyber squatting in a nutshell. Now let me sign off. Please share, like and comment on this video. Many thanks to you for watching this video. Break a leg. Thank you.